software programming and digital integration. Elihos provides customized software solutions tailored to meet the specific needs of its clients. This includes developing, designing, and testing software applications for various platforms, such as web, mobile, or desktop. We also offers consulting services to help clients identify their technological needs, as well as ongoing maintenance and support to ensure the software remains secure, functional, and up to date. Additionally, we may integrate CRM and ERP softwares with existing systems and offer customization to ensure the software aligns perfectly with the client's business processes and goals. Through these services, we help businesses optimize operations and enhance productivity. What we do for you: collaborating with management, departments, and customers to identify end-user requirements and specifications. Designing algorithms and flowcharts to create new software programs and systems. Producing efficient and elegant code based on requirements. Testing and deploying programs and applications. Troubleshooting, debugging, maintaining and improving existing software. Compiling and assessing user feedback to improve software performance. Observing user feedback to recommend improvements to existing software products. Developing technical documentation to guide future software development projects. Providing installation and system administration for CRM or ERP softwares. Creating, managing, and optimizing complex workflow rules, validation rules, and approval processes. Analyzing data and creating reports for insights into team operations and productivity. Coordinating and supporting integrations with third-party applications. For more progressive business approaches, contact Elihos today.